Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, how this watch is packed, and we will see what we have in the software, what option do we use, and we will do some tests, see if we can make phone calls and see if the options are accurate enough. So let's go ahead, see what we got. So we have the box in front of us. You can see Huawei GT2 Pro, very good package, very quality. And in the new GT2 Pro, we have 1.39-inch AMOLED display, 4 GB of memory. Some of them it will be taken from the system. We have the speaker, different sensor like accelerometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic, optical, and air pressure as well. You can see the watch itself in the box immediately. In the box is included one magnetic charger, wireless charger, one C-type cable to charge the magnetic, and we have the user manual and warranty card as well. We have 14 days of battery life and wireless charging as I mentioned before, and this watch is resistant up to 50 meters underwater. So you can see the GT2 Pro is quite built and we have a very good watch. It's pretty heavy, metal all around, and it has very good screen as well. You can see now the watch is on. At the top we have the settings that we will see later. You can see here at the display we have the brightness. I'll turn this on so we can see better. Let's get back to the taskbar. You can see we have a very good watch, and we have the always on display. Both of them looks really good. We can combine them. We have do not disturb screen on, and we have find my phone, alarm, and the settings. Also we have time, percentage of battery, and date. At the left we have some information about the day activities. Down we have notification. In the right we have the heart rate, stress. As you can see, it's automatic. We have the weather, music control, that we can upload more music in here or control the music in our phone. And again we have the data. If you press the button you will enter the menu. As you can see we have the workouts. Here we have the running courses. Next we have the outdoor run, outdoor walk, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, open water, mountain hiking, trail run, driving range. We have triathlon, elliptical, rower, other, and add. So you can see even though we have plenty of options to choose with from sport, you still can add these more and make the GT2 Pro a lot better with sports. We have workout status, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, call logs, and contacts that I mentioned before. We can make phone calls here from the GT2 and accept calls as well. We have music control, air pressure, compass. We have to calibrate the compass. It's as it tells you, you have to do the 8 sign or the infinite sign, and in this way you will calibrate your compass. You can see now it's working perfectly. So after the compass we have notifications, weather, and we have stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight. You can see very bright, find phone, and the settings as well. At the settings, as you can see, we have earphones, display. Here we have watch faces that we can change. We can connect earphones and listen to music that we saw the earphones option before. Here at the display we saw the watch face that we can change, and we can download more in the app as well, which is a very good benefit to have. After the faces, let's find here a good one. The second one looks really good. This is very simple, looks good, and it shows the watch depth effect. We have always on display that we saw in the beginning. We can change, for example, to this one. It goes better with the face. We have here the favorites, brightness that we saw before, and the advanced we have sleep and screen on timing. So after that we have the volume. You can see all the way up. It sounds really good, very loud for this device. It's a small watch, not a phone, but it has a very good uh, sound to it. We have the vibration strong or soft, or you can turn it off all the way. Either way, it depends on your preference. We have do not disturb, and we have here the down button, which you can customize what do you want to open. We have the workout settings and the system at the bottom. So the GT2 has some breathtaking options. We have so much options that honestly is so hard to use all of them and see all of them, try them, but we will try our best. So here in our hand it sits really good and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, one of the best smartwatches that I wore. It feels really good and solid as well. Auto run is the first option that we will try. One finger method, don't forget about that. As you can see, location is the GPS is trying to connect, but we can go without GPS because we are not outside. You can see the heart rate is the first option. After the heart rate we have pace and other stuff. We have here steps, calories and seconds. At the third page we have total accent, we have altitude, we have heart rate next. You can see next we have the trailing by training effect. You can see the data for training effect, and we have the first page again, the timing. At the right we have the music control and the GPS navigation. You can see it's connecting. We have the root back or the other option. Either way, good to have these options in the sports. Let's turn this off and see what we can try. And next, as you can see, to end it, just press and hold the button. After the sport, we have the heart rate. Let's see how fast this will measure our heart rate and what option do we have. You can see immediately it starts to give you some options, and we have the statistic in the first page. Next we have the blood pressure, blood oxygen. You can see 3-second countdown again with statistic at the screen. As you can see, we have to keep still, not move, keep your hand without too much movements, and you will get more accurate data. If you move it too much, the test will fail. You can see now the statistics are here, we can see, and they are saved. Next we have the stress, which is automatically, and it tells you at the end of the day what level of stress you did throughout the day. Next we have the breathe option. As you can see, we have different options for breathing, and we have the minutes that you want to choose. I'm going for 1 minute because I'm just trying to show you how it works. As you can see, inhale and exhale. When it says to inhale, you inhale and exhale with the watch. You can see right now we have all the data and the end of the session of breathing, which is a really good option again to have in your GT2 Pro. After that we have here the call log. We will try this at the end of the video because it will take a little bit longer. It's a longer process. You have to add the people from the app, which we will show you in the how to connect video. You can see right here the songs that I have in the watch. As I mentioned before, 4 gigs of storage we have here that we can upload music, or we can control the music that we have in our phone. Either way, you can skip them, you can pause it, you can see settings, watch or phone. It depends what you choose, or you can connect some earphones and listen to music in this watch. That is a good thing to have. Next we have the air pressure. This is one option that we have. Compass we saw, so I don't think we have anything else to see here. So let's go ahead, add some people, add the contacts. You can see now we are making some phone calls. You can see it says dialing. We have the microphone, the speaker, and the hang up button. And also people can call you, you can accept them here in the watch and talk here because the GT2 Pro has a speaker and a microphone as well. So this is all that we can test here in the GT2 Pro. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.